Hello kids, today we will be learning the tips and tricks with regards to Roman numerals. So here I have mentioned the Roman numerals and here I have mentioned the Roman numerals from 1 to 10. Okay, so with this trick you will be able to solve any sums regarding Roman numerals. So with regards to Roman numerals, here with this trick you will be able to find the answers for all the tens. That is 10, 20, 30, 40, so on till 90, and also for hundreds, which is 100, 200, 300, so on till 900. Okay, now you must be wondering, what about the numbers like, for example, 25? How to find the Roman number above that? Well, I have mentioned how to convert the number to Roman numeral in my previous video. I will be putting the link of the same in the description box. Do check that video. So here in that video I explained that whenever you get a number you are supposed to find the expanded form of it, right? So the expanded form of 25 will be 20 plus 5. Now I have to find the Roman number of 20 and 5. Okay, so always remember, whenever you are supposed to find a Roman number of any number, you will have to find the Roman number of any tens or any hundreds, because you are supposed to find the expanded form of it and then convert it into Roman numeral. Okay, so here is the trick. I'll take 20. Okay, you are supposed to find a Roman numeral of 20. Okay, so for 20 I will first write 2, because I know the Roman numeral from 1 to 10. Kids, this is the base for Roman numeral. You have to learn this Roman numeral properly, then all the questions will be easy for you, and this trick you will understand it in a better way. So to find 20 I will first find the Roman numeral of 2. I know the Roman numeral of 2 is I, that is 2 times I. Okay, now 2 times I means basically I stands for 1. Okay, so I'm write 2 times I means 2 times 1. Okay, now I'll write 2 over here again, because we are talking about 2. So 2, I'm to find 2 I'm writing 2 times 1. Okay, now we are basically talking about 20. We have to find a Roman numeral of 20, right? So now we will convert this 2 into 20 by putting a 0 over here. So this became 20. Left hand side changed to right hand side will also change. So here I will put zeros to both the one. 2 digits are present, so I will put 2 zeros to both the digits. Okay, and now I know the Roman numeral for 10, which is x. So I will replace this both 10 by 2x. So what is the Roman numeral of 20? It is 2 times x. Okay, what if you are asked for 200? Trick remains the same. You know 2, Roman number of 2 is 2 times I. So I will do 200 over left hand side, and here it will become 100 like this. Okay, so I know the Roman number of 100. See here, what is the Roman number of 100? It is C. So I'll write 2 times C. So what is the Roman number of 200? It is CC. Okay, this is the trick. The next example I have taken is of 70. Okay, here I have written 7. What is the Roman numeral of 7? It is VII. Okay, so what I did, I wrote it over here 7 first and then 511. This 7 got converted into 70 because we were talking about 70, so I just put the 0 over here. So same effect goes on the right hand side. Put zeros all over there to all the digits and then replace it with the Roman numeral. So the Roman numeral of 50 is L and of 10 it is XX. So the Roman numeral of 70 is LXX. What if it is about 100? 700. So here it is 700 is equal to 500, 100 and 100. So replace this with the Roman numeral. So of the 500 it is D, of 100 it is C, and again C. So the Roman numeral of 700 is DCC. Okay, and the last example over here I have taken is of 90. Okay, so I wrote 9 in Roman numeral, it is IX, replaced it with the number. I stands for 1 and X stands for 10. Okay, now I converted this 9 into 90 by adding 1 0. Same effect goes on the right hand side. This was 1, so I added 1 0 to it, and this was 10, so I added 1 0 to it, making it 100. And then I replaced it with this Roman numerals. So X is for 10 and C is for 100. So I got the Roman numeral of 90 as XC. And for 900, same rule, 9 it is IX, so it became 900 on the left hand side. So here the 1 got converted into 100 because we added 2 zeros, and this 10 became 1000 because we again added 2 zeros. Okay, 10 was there and 2 zeros I added, so it became 1000. And then I replaced 100 and 1000 with the Roman numeral. So for 100 it is C, and for 1000 it is M. So here we got the Roman numeral for 900. So this is how the trick works. You just have to first find the Roman numeral of this, and then you have to keep on adding zeros. Okay, it is same like this. And for this, for proper understanding, do remember this from 1 to 10 properly, and also this with the trick I mentioned in the previous video. Do check it. The link is mentioned in the description box. Hope you understood this link. Do like the video, share and subscribe it, and also feel free to comment on the video. Your feedbacks will always motivate. Thank you. Keep watching.